right, so 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, I will put on paper. All right. Oh, but do I need to go higher? Oh, yeah, here, let me, because I write bigger. All right. Okay, cross product property. Jason.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, stop cutting.
Okay, a proportion is a ratio set equal to a ratio. All right, which is that's now what we're dealing with. All right, so we're going to use a cross product property. You were really good with it. It's been 4th grade, so, you know, if you guys remember your 4th grade teacher, Miss Quijada from Lightfoot or Miss Stoll from Lightfoot. Anyone go Lightfoot? Where'd you guys go? Bruce Messer? Oh, was Boganoff there? Or what is she? What grade is she? 4th grade or where? Or no? 5th grade? Maybe? 8th? Oh, okay. Oh, that's right. Doug Bruce Messer is in elementary school. I know. Yeah, I got confused. All right. So here we go. Cross product property states that you can multiply, thus the cross. You can multiply diagonally. Do you remember that? So it would go x times 24 is equal to 6 times 9. So the cross product property essentially rewrites the equation or the proportion for it to be an equation without ratios. Okay?
But if you do it then, don't you get like a decimal?
It's fine. Sometimes you will or sometimes you won't. It just depends on the number that you
So then
use.
it can be a decimal?
Yes, yeah. Cool, yeah. So we're going to get x times 24 is 24x. 6 times 9 is 54. And so now you have an equation with no fractions. And now you're just going to go ahead and divide the coefficient, right? 24. So you're going to get, like Jason said, 9/4. So this is okay. And eventually when we're on a graph paper, we're actually going to go for the decimal. So either one, you just want to know how to work the calculator. Okay, I'm going to redo it. Super extra. Look, the cross product property, if you guys really master it, you can become efficient with it, that you don't have to do all the work, and so some of you will learn to heavy up the rights. Put away the phone. Play the video games. Okay, so here's what it is. So I'm going to redo it. Look, the variable x is in the upper left and then the equal sign. That's beautiful. Usually you guys want x equal 2 or x equal 5 or x equal -1 or x equal 9/4, whatever. Look, if the variable is in the beautiful location, it's in the upper position, it's a numerator, do you really have to cross both diagonals? No, you can only do one of them. So what I mean is, what if you just took the 6 and brought it up? So I would get x is equal to 6 times 9 all over 24, and then you can throw all of this into the calculator. This is what helps out as we move on. So you would hit 6 times 9, or 9 times 6, doesn't matter, over 24, and I get 9/4, and you get the same value. So as you become more efficient with it, you can actually work through it really quickly. Okay, so let's do the next one, 18. And so 18 is also set up where the variable is in the upper left position. It's a numerator. I don't need to multiply diagonally both. I can only do one of them, right? And take that 9 to the 4, right? 9 times 4. So you could get, right, 4 times 9 divided by 6, 36 divided by 6, I get 6. Now, If you don't want to because you're not quite comfortable with it, that's fine. You could still cross product. You would still get the same answer. So 6y, 9 times 4. It's just now you're going to throw that 6 right back. Here, look, it started here. You brought it up. You're bringing it right back down. And so y is 6. So you get the same answer. Are you guys okay? Yeah. Keep going? Yeah. Okay, the next one will have distributive property though. I think. Oh no, not yet. That's 20. Let's do 19. I was skipping ahead. Okay, 19, the variable, and it's now an m. All right, look. The variable is still a numerator. So you could still, put that away. You could still only cross product one diagonal, right? It would be the 17 and the 120. So if you wanted to shortcut, you would take the 120 and you would bring it to the 17, right? Because that's the diagonal. So you would get 17 times 120 divided by 24, and you can throw all of that in the calculator. Or you could do it in pieces. This is like a shortcut. I'll do it the other way. So, whoops. Fraction 17, down 24, 85. So it's essential that you know how to use a calculator this semester with the similarities, the dilations, the trig. You better know how to use your calculator. You can't use your phones on quizzes or tests. So I will show you how to use your phone, but you also have to know how to use the calculators. Okay, if you didn't want to do it the shortcut way, if you wanted to be thorough, textbook style, you would, right? Okay, what's 17 times 20? 24 times m. Let's see, that's 24m. What's 17 times 2040? 2040. Divide by 24. Right, and so there's my 85. So you still get the same answer. You just have to decide what your comfort level is. Okay, can I pause it here before it gets too long? And then I'll do another one? Okay.